There's a piñata and it broke. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, it's Vera Sweeney from Lady on the Blog, and I have a bunch of boxes here. Gonna do a PR unboxing and show you some of the goodies that I got from the mail today. New trends. I don't know if there's some beauty things here, but it looks like I'm gonna start off with some Trolls goodies. I'm immediately drawn to Trolls. The beat goes on. Something from Netflix. It's a holiday troll box. It says it's a holiday gift box. So let's open it up and let's see what's going on inside. Alright, so this holiday season, it looks like Poppy Branch and all of the other trolls in Trolls Village are going to be celebrating with some new episodes from DreamWorks Trolls The Beat Goes On, premiering November 2nd. So Netflix sent along some really fun goodies to celebrate that fact. Let's go through them all and see what we have. I love Trolls. We watch Trolls all the time. Okay, so we have Gia Grooves, Party Hair Poppy. Party Hair Poppy looks like a lot of fun. We have some blind bags here. DreamWorks Trolls, age 4 and up, collect them all. What's inside, nobody knows. I'm not going to open them because I want my son to open them when he gets home. And then there's actually the coolest, most colorful Good Time in New York City tickets available now. We really want to go see the show like in a major way. Going to try our hardest to get to the city to grab some tickets to go and see that live, because there's nothing like having a dance party in the aisles when you know all the songs and you want to dance with the characters that you know and love. So that is super cool. Love all these goodies here. Let's see if I can give you some more information. TrollsTheExperience.com if you want some more info on the new Netflix original series. The Beat Goes On Netflix. Super cool. Alright, next up. I also have a unicorn to the right of me, so you don't want to miss out on that one. I've already opened that box. Okay, so next up, these are from Sense of Style. And I'm going to put the link below so you can check them out. I thought these were so cute. These slippers were, I think they were $11. I actually bought these slippers. These slippers were not sent to me. I bought them. So I bought these for my daughter because they're like little bunny slippers, and I thought they were super cute, and I thought she would get a kick out of them. They have little ears and they were all different types. So I thought she would like the pink ones, and then I got similarly a pink color for me as well. These little pom-pom slippers because I am always cold. I have two sweaters on. I have a sweater and then I have a sweater. So that's how cold I am today. So I got her pink with ears, and then I got me pink pom-poms. Okay, so let's move on. That Sense of Style, that's something I bought, but I still wanted to show you guys because I thought that they were adorable. Okay, so this one, the unicorn is last. It's the big box over here. I don't even know what's inside the unicorn. I saw a unicorn and I just left the box, and that's what made this whole thing happen. Oh, what's this? Okay, so this is Organ Kids. Orgain Kids, introducing the MVP of snacks, Orgain Kids O-Bar chocolate chips. That's great. It's actually in the market for some snacks for my kids to go to school. So we have 3 different types here. We have peanut butter. We have soy-free and vegan chocolate chip. Let's see if we can put them to the side. And then we have chocolate brownie. So these are, let's see, they're 10 grams of whole grain, 7 grams of fiber, 40% less sugar than leading organic kids bars. Now let me tell you, parents, you know what I'm talking about with these bars. Bars are really easy to throw in the bag. Bars are super convenient when they come home from school and they're looking for a snack, but bars sometimes are filled with Not so great stuff. So to hear that this is 40% less sugar and 7 grams of fiber, I'm always looking for fiber, and I'm always looking for protein, and this is, and the sugar count. This is speaking my language. Let me see what else it can say. It's also organic, so this is all good stuff here. That's really great. I can't wait for them to come home and try. Everybody's in school right now, so I can't have them try, but here's what the bar actually looks like. It has a little monkey, so it sort of has that kid appeal. Thank you very much. We will absolutely give these a try. And if you would like more information on this, you can go to drinkorgain, ORGAIN.com, and you can check out that brand for more information. Okay, let's get right to the unicorn. And you think I'm kidding, but I'm not. I actually have a full-blown unicorn. This is real. Someone sent me a unicorn, a piñata unicorn. There's a piñata and it broke. Oh my gosh. You can't see? I gotta pop the head off. I killed the unicorn. Okay guys, wait, this is, holy moly, my kids are gonna be so upset that I did this without them. There's candy inside. I didn't know. I thought this was, oh my gosh, my daughter just got braces and she is gonna be so upset. This is a real piñata! Someone sent me a real piñata filled with candy. What is this? Luminex Oral Essentials Medically Developed Whitening Strips. Minutes to whiter teeth without the sensitivity. Hold up. So now I have literally a piñata. Why did I go Halloween shopping? Filled with candy. I can't even get over this. Plus, there's all, I'm out of breath. This is how excited I am. There's all this Luminex. Luminex, that's how I'm going to say it. Luminex Medically Developed Toothpaste, Oral Perfection, Whitening. Let me see if I can find more stuff in here. I'm going to eat this. Luminex, there's a unicorn on this particular bad boy. Oh la la. This is kind of smart. Why don't all piñatas have toothpaste in them? This is like a revolution that's happening right now. Look, so not only is there the candy, guys, you need to talk to piñata people and do this. You need to put toothpaste and toothbrushes inside all future piñatas. And that way, after the kids do all this stuff, there's toothpaste and stuff that they can brush their teeth afterwards. So literally inside, it is entirely filled with candy. I can't believe this. What a treat. You can go to oralessentials.com for more information about that. That is so much fun. So that is my sort of quick haul today on what I was sent from PR companies and my little quick buy from Sense of Style. And I'll see you soon. This was a quick one, but I'm just gearing up for Halloween. It's literally a few hours away, and